now what happens when modern interior design meets luxury? You get a spectacular voguish home. Welcome back to Crazy Nice Homes. Today we're here to see a 2+1 bedroom condominium unit that is 1,206 square feet at Marina Bay. We're here taking the private lift up. Let's go.
Hey,
Hi,
Lester.
Eric.
Nice meeting you.
Hey, thanks for having me here.
So, how do you feel coming out from a private leave?
I feel rich already.
Okay, great.
So let's begin. Eric, what's the theme and inspiration behind this house?
I actually designed this house based on modern luxury hotel theme, and I gained inspiration from hotel from all around the world. So this actually is a private live area. So I purchased all these items to give a welcoming feel to our guests, and I took inspiration from most of the hotel lobbies.
Oh, great. So excited. Can't wait to check out this home.
Let me show you around.
Yes, let's go.
So over here, I actually created a large storage area. Okay, so this is where we house the DB as well as double up as the storage shoes.
Oh, nice. It's hidden so nicely with these fluted panels, right?
Yes, so I use this fluted panel to actually make it a hidden door so it doesn't look obvious.
Yeah, it looks really nicely hidden behind. I wouldn't tell.
Okay, Lester, let me show you the kitchen area.
Nice.
So this is actually an open concept kitchen that is provided originally by the developer.
Okay.
So originally this was all in white color.
Oh.
Yeah, so because we are doing a modern luxe hotel theme, so we actually re-laminated the whole structure, yeah, to match the theme. And owner is actually a wine lover, and he specially requested for a big wine rack.
Okay.
Yeah, so here you go, the wine rack.
Okay.
So in order to customize this locally in gold plating finish, it actually costs about $4,000.
Wow.
Yeah, so I actually convinced the owner that we import it ourselves. I managed to slash it by half.
Wow. Okay. So I want to ask you this: is this fixed or is it customizable?
Okay, we work with reliable supplier, and this is actually several models that we can choose from. So we pick this together with the homeowner, and it comes with matte gold or polished gold finish. So we pick the polished gold together with the owner for the hotel feel.
Very nice.
So these two beautiful bar stools, we actually imported it ourselves to match the whole space.
Nice. I love it. So this is a huge space. Is this their dining area?
No, this is actually a worktop preparation area. So they will prepare meals and all that. And this is where they have their breakfast usually. Let me show you to the proper dining area.
Oh, let's check it out.
Okay, so Lester, here's the dining area. Yeah, so everything you see here, including the table, the chair, and all the table setting are actually procured by us to suit the space.
Okay.
So imagine you have a very nice dining table and you bought the wrong plates. Aesthetically wise, you will not be
It
pleasing.
looks really different. Yes.
Yeah, and this light, we especially chose this to create a romantic ambience for the couple.
Oh, I agree. Yes. It gives us a very soft glow that radiates the entire space.
Yeah, normally dining light is like, sparkle, and this one, it really gives a very romantic feel. Yeah, and next, the mirror, actually it double ups the place, so it don't look like a small area.
Yeah. So if I'm dining here alone, look like I have friends.
Oh yeah. Okay, Lester, we have come to the main highlight of the area, the living space. So over here, we actually use soft stone to feature the main feature wall.
Soft stone. So how is soft stone different from the traditional laminate that people use?
Okay, soft stone is actually made of natural stone skin, and visually you really can't tell a big difference until you touch it. It actually feels cooling. Yeah, so for application wise, soft stone can be used for TV feature, it can be used for cabinet doors, etc.
So is there a difference in price between soft stone and laminate?
Yes, soft stone is generally double the price of laminate. However, on a scale like this, it's actually quite affordable. Okay, Lester, for small area, right, storage is actually very crucial to homeowner. So we created a large cabinet over here and a long stretch of TV console. So in order to achieve the aesthetic at an affordable price, we chose marble print laminate like this instead of real marble slab.
Yeah, but this laminate still looks really exquisite though.
Yeah, man. So let me show you where are the devices. This is actually a flip-up pocket door that you can slot in so as not to clutter the space. So you can keep your Wi-Fi, your PlayStation, even your Xbox inside. Behind the sofa, we have this large digital print wallpaper that we specially customized for this space.
Specially customized. So if I have my own designs, can I use it?
Definitely you can. I can even print your face on the wall.
Wow, with my face confirm feels like hotel lah.
Yeah, so how do you feel about this sofa?
Good. It's quite comfortable.
Yeah, this sofa is actually procured by us as well. So we specially picked this because of the gold detailing that you see here on the sofa. It's really nice and luxurious looking.
Oh, so you bought all these items too?
Oh yeah, all these accessories items are actually procured by us as well. So in order to ensure that everything blends well together. So we are one of the few IDs in Singapore that actually does home styling as part of the overall package.
So how much does it cost for, styling up my home?
Styling is actually complimentary. However, procurement of all these items, right, it makes up about 3% of the overall cost. Actually quite affordable. Okay, Lester, here originally is meant to be a study area. However, when owner requests for back display, we created this large scale display cabinet with backlight to create a luxury boutique feel.
I love it. So, but how do you open this?
It's actually a sliding door. So you slide to the two sides.
It's a sliding door.
Yeah,
Okay.
and you can display, the whole bag. Yeah, so we actually specially imported this gold-plated gate to add the luxury element to the whole space. Okay, Lester, welcome to the master bedroom.
Wow, I love the feel of this, but this really captures my attention.
Yeah, it caught my eye the first time I saw it. It's love at first sight.
I can see why. So, looks really unique, but what material are we talking about here?
This is actually a book match marble print on a large format porcelain tile.
Wow. Okay, wait. Book match marble print on a large format porcelain tile.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
So yeah, it's really nice when I saw it at the tile shop. Yeah. So we decided to make it the bedhead feature. And if you notice, it looks like a W shape, which means win. So it's a positive vibe all the time. And this one actually, if you turn it over, it forms a diamond shape. Yeah, so you can actually play around with different patterns for this type of tiles.
Oh, I love it. And really, I gotta say, I love this bed as well. The styling of the bed feels really, really like a luxury hotel.
Now you know why our styling service is so essential. Yeah, it's to create that vibe. So this room is actually designed based on modern luxury theme with an oriental twist. So you can take a look at the detailing of the cabinet that we specially chosen.
Oh yes, the handles especially. Really nice oriental touch.
Yeah, and these two pendant lights we specially handpicked to fit the theme as well. Okay, so over here the dresser area, right, I actually cladded the ceiling with wood-like laminate and it flows down naturally to this large format dresser mirror. So when you sit down and put on makeup, right, if let's say the light is too strong, it can cast shadow and you can't see yourself clearly on the mirror. I actually inbuilt this LED light for you as well, okay, so that you can see yourself clearly when you put on makeup.
Oh, my Tuesday girlfriend Georgina will love this feature.
How many girlfriends you have?
So Eric, the $1,000,000 question, how much does this beautiful home cost?
Okay, it costs about $80,000, which includes design and build, selection and procurement of the furnitures, and of course our professional styling services.
Indeed, the exquisite furnishings with a keen eye for a mod luxe interior design, this home is the epitome of when posh meets style. So do comment in the comment section below, tell us which part of the house that you like best. Do remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. If you have a crazy nice home, do contact us at the description below. This is yet another episode of Crazy Nice Homes. Take care, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye!